Hi, it's Pardis from Desanoia, and today we'll be talking about how to overcome the challenges of integrating technology in design and construction. This is the part 2 to a series we did on the main takeaways of a keynote presentation I gave a few months back at the Advanced Computational Building Design Conference that I'll be sharing with you here today. So if you're interested, keep on watching. In our most recent episode, we discussed some of the challenges that design and construction industries face when it comes to implementing technology. While understanding challenges is the foundation for any transformation, today we're focusing more on ways and methods to address the said challenges and overcome them. As we saw in our latest episode, the main challenges of implementing technology in design and construction can be summarized in 5 categories: diverse projects, diverse teams, fragmented technology, limited R&D, and outdated contracts. Now let's take a look at strategies to help teams overcome the challenges of implementing technology in design and construction. Focus on impact. Instead of focusing on the technology itself, focusing on impact on the overall business enables organizations to prioritize goals and navigate a digital transformation and its potential challenges more effectively. In order to increase the chances of success, organizations have to think about what their outlook is 2, 5, and 10 years down the road, and what impact they forecast on the overall business that implementing a certain technology. Promote collaboration. While currently a majority of digital solutions are handcrafted by individual tech gurus and SMEs across organizations, on the long run, this would result in a fragmented system where solutions can no longer be applied to future projects and used by other teams. Instead, there needs to be a more collective approach similar to that of design processes and creative workshops, where a collaborative effort, in addition to proper document management, is put in place so the digital transformation can be impactful in the long term. Invest in training. Digital technologies have introduced profound changes in the way we carry out design and delivery of buildings. Therefore, applying these technologies requires the teams to not only learn the skill sets, but also adapt to the changes that come with the new way projects are being designed and delivered. That is only possible with building a solid foundation with a highly trained workforce. Capture ROI. One of the challenges of implementing new technologies is understanding the impact they have on the bottom line. In order to make informed decisions on adopting new technologies, there needs to be a clear assessment on productivity gains from adopting new tools and identifying the cost of the technology itself in addition to the framework necessary for its success, such as firm-wide standards, workforce training, and document control. Promote transparency. Promoting transparency can reduce the risk of failure in adopting new technologies. This is especially the case for larger firms where different departments might have their own technology leads and initiatives. While it is easy in these scenarios to overlook the firm-wide use cases, promoting transparency can help resolve that and unlock bigger values for the entire organization. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to share it with someone else who would also find it interesting, and subscribe to get notifications on our next videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.